Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 6th, 2022. We're going to give you all a price prediction for Palantir prior to the earnings, which is due to be released tomorrow. You guys can see right here on the chart, November the 7th. Once the market opens, Palantir is going to release their earnings. So let's try to get ahead of the game to see where price is going to go. Where is it going to be impacted? So let's go ahead and talk about this real quick. You guys can see I did a video in Palantir on October the 22nd. Okay, this price prediction has been on the chart since October the 12th though. Came in, did an update video on the 22nd to where the market was trading right here. And I was looking for a price in Palantir to still go up. So you guys at least should have gotten some profitability out of this prediction. Take a look. Market ran up to this resistance area around 860. A couple of days we saw a trade higher than that, hit that $9 price, which is fantastic because I'm quite sure I had that as a price target on my previous videos. Just go back and listen. It is in my Palantir playlist. Everything that I do is fully transparent because I want you all to see that it is very doable to predict prices without the confusion. So congratulations to those who was able to bag some of that profit out the market. So let's get into this. I really wanted to focus on the volume that came into the market in Palantir on Friday, November the 4th. Let's break this down on an hourly time frame to see whether or not that was mostly selling or buying. Take a look. You guys can see on the hour chart that the market throughout the day on Friday in Palantir was definitely going down, right? We saw the market in Palantir go down, but then right here towards the close of trading, the market volume increased, and then we saw this massive spread towards the high of the bar. Right there around $7.70. What do you think the market knows? Why did it go that way, go back higher towards the ending of trading on Friday? Look at this on the 30-minute chart. You guys can see where the market became more active and was able to lift price up in Palantir. Are we about to see the market run higher? Look at this on the 15 minutes. Let me know. 7 minutes. Throughout the trading day on Friday, the market in Palantir was definitely hitting sell-off. It was. Let's admit to it. But then towards the ending, the market came back to life and ended up hitting and holding support at the low around $8.45. That was the time that the market came and hit bottom in Palantir, and we ended the day at that level. So all of this right here wasn't real. It was real, but the point is that it didn't impact the market closing on the low, meaning that the market is not that bearish. This is what it resembles. For the market to reclaim what it lost throughout the trading day on Friday to come back up and close above $7.89. That's very good for the buyers in Palantir. All right, so keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay, so the market here is definitely trying to hold support. I like it around $7.50. Definitely no lower than my $7.19 price. We've been in this for a while. Now, what I'm going to do to this resistance area up here, since the market over the last couple of days here hit that as resistance, then this is where the sellers are definitely entrenched. Okay, so let me go ahead and extend these two lines on the chart, and let's see how the market fared on last week. And you guys can see it's not really too monumental in terms of how we can see price move. Like, the market is simply consolidating in Palantir. I still suspect that $7.50 is going to be maintained as support, at least $7 even for Palantir. The weight into the market currently is down, meaning that right here on this weekly price bar, the market did get hit with some selling. So we're hitting consolidational trading right now. 2 weeks, again, there's still some sellers here into the market in Palantir. We got to recognize it for what it is. So I'm not really looking for the Palantir earnings to impact price to the upside. Not yet. My main focus is, once they release the earnings, is to see the buyers come back into the market around $7.50 to $7. I have to see that first before I'll come back in and say, look, I'm looking for the price in Palantir to trend back up to higher prices. because the weekly chart, the 2 weekly chart, is all hinting that the market currently is weak. Here it is on the 3 weeks. We got 5 days and 5 hours left on this current 3 weekly price bar, and let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. That doesn't look bullish neither. Okay. So what would you do if the market in Palantir fell below $7? I know many of you would tell me, leave me a comment in the comment section and say that you'll double down, you'll quadruple down, you'll buy more Palantir because this is a great play for the next 60 years. You're looking for the market in Palantir to be exceedingly higher in the next 75 years. I get it. Well, the market look like is definitely trending to the downside. Yeah. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I am just going to sit back. I want to give you all scenarios to know when you need to jump in the market and when you shouldn't. Currently, I am not bullish into the market in Palantir right now. I'm looking for price to be impacted initially to the downside. I'm looking for price to go down initially, which is why my attention is going to be focused on $7.50 to maybe $7. Let me see something first. Okay, so let me say if we were to look for the market to run to $7.50, how much of a profit that would be? That was around 5%, and then back down to around $7.20. It's around 9.25. I'll put that on the chart. Okay, now it's going to be quick. All right, this is going to be like 2 to 3 days for us to see the market run to those particular areas, especially probably tomorrow. So it's going to be real important for the market to come in and confirm that buyers are still here. If they are, great. We got the price target 750 to jump out. We got another price target around 720 if the overall weakness hits that particular point, and then we're out. We'll leave the market and find another play. So that's it. Real quick, I may come back in after earnings tomorrow, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, and come back and do another video on Palantir to see how price acted at the release, and we should have a better idea as to how the market's going to trade on a longer term basis. All right, so that is it. Give me your thoughts, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel, and let me know where you think price is going to go. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always trade different.